that one over there. Good to go. Anything else up there while I'm down there? Oh, that's interesting. Well, it doesn't really matter then, does it? You can actually physically come over the top of it, can't you?
What, do an overlap on it?
Yeah. Is that definitely that one then, is it? Or...
Have we got an overlap there, or do we cut it? I think we cut that a couple of years ago. This bit works out at 2 wide, but you can't just put 2 boards, 2 boards, 2 boards, 2 boards, because you get a weak edge in the middle. So what we've done is 2 boards, then cut the middle one in and the 2 sides, 2 boards, cut the middle one in and the 2 sides all the way along. Makes a much stronger finish. Always remember to brace underneath every joint. We cut the lip off the old chipboard boarding, make it match up quite smartly. Couple of packs left to put down. As you can see, the loft changes direction on here.